Alrighty, hello and welcome back to my channel, Collectibles for Resale. I am a full-time reseller and I've started working on buying jewelry from Shop Goodwill. I've also done a couple of their DIY on, well, sorry, that's Shop Goodwill. The blue boxes. This is a blue box from Goodwill Bluebox. They drop every Friday at 5 or 6 p.m. I can't remember exactly. And they're with shipping about $40, $39.99 I believe. So I have found a few little treasures in some of the boxes. Nothing of a home run on any of them yet, but I have faith, and they are kind of my little treasure hunt. So this is for fun, and I do, like I said, sell on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, starting back my Etsy stores. So that's where some of it will be. A lot of it I just am going to be selling lots of crafters lots, and I mean most of it is usable. It's just things that I'm not going to take the time to sell. So anything with, you know, that I find interesting, or any kind of precious metal, I'll separate the silver, and anything with any kind of value, vintage, designer, whatever, I'll kind of sell that. And then the rest I just don't have time to like go through piece by piece usually. So but we'll see. So I'm going to try and do these a little bit faster because, oh my goodness, the last video I did was way too long. So this is a 5-pound rescue, DIY, repurpose, whatever you want to call it. Bluebill, oh, God, I'm so sorry. Goodwill Bluebox. It's late right now. And this was from the Florida location. This just actually came in, as I'm filming this, it came in earlier today. So I'm going to post this tomorrow. And so to make it faster, what I'm doing now, I'm going to start doing it, is just kind of empty it, give you first glance at everything. And then I'm going to pause it, do any kind of untangling, separate it by the types of goods, bracelets, necklace, whatever, and just quickly go over it. So kind of maybe I want to keep this video short. Definitely not as long as the last one took. So I will be giving you first glance. I already cut the boxes. That takes a minute or two. Want to be careful. And I'm going to empty that out. And that just shows, yep, $39.99. So this is, like I said, from Florida. So we will go ahead and get our first glance at that. And let's see. These big pieces usually take up a bulk of it. Last time I had so much dirt and junk. It was a 16-pound, you know, mystery jewelry lot from another Goodwill location. So this looks better. There's not dirt everywhere. It's already looking up. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this, and I will be back then in just a second, and I'll show you, we'll go through the different items that came in, anything of note, and make this a little bit quicker video. So thanks for tuning in. I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm back. I had a little bit of time to separate. There wasn't a great amount of breakage and dirt and other things. So this is actually a really nice box. I'm very surprised. I've been getting kind of not great boxes. But you never know, you know, your luck will turn around. You just never know. So this one, it seems like it's predominantly necklaces. There are a few miscellaneous earrings, pins, and a couple of bracelets. So I'll just go through. This is the largest amount of pieces. So I'll just start on this end. This thing is kind of wild. I'm not sure what it is. It's very long. It's open. There's no like closure. Really, it looks like the 70s kind of hanging beaded curtain, but I know that's not what it is, but it's just unusual. So that, I'll have to see what that is. This is just like a cheap costume necklace stretch. That's probably going to go into a crafter's lot. This is definitely going to go into a crafter's lot. This as well. And I did like this, but the one side is loose, so I don't think I'll be able to sell this one. I really like this too. It's a pretty piece. This one is also probably going to go into a crafter's lot, even though I do like the design, the mixed metals. It looks like it's rusted almost right here, and the straps are kind of falling apart. So I'll leave that. This is a nice piece on a black cord, and it's just got a mixed color metal gold silver tone with a little X. I didn't see any marks on this. So pretty simple piece. And this is pearl-like beads. I'm not sure. And these red beads. So this is, it's like a clamp necklace. Hadn't seen one of these. So I guess like a choker kind of. And these like tri-colored pearls. I'm not sure if they're pearls, but pearl-like. Let's check on that more. This necklace with the different colored stones. Got gray, turquoise, dark blue. Let's see. This is a. There were a lot of Chicos too. I think it was like 5 or 6 Chicos. I believe this is also Chicos. Yeah, this is like a three-piece hanging little pendants in the middle. Let's see. This is like a statement or to go maybe to quinceañera or a wedding or something. This is kind of cool. Pretty violet colored beads on silver tone. Let's see. This next one. It's a long. It's another Chico's. Yeah, there's another Chico's. Long beaded necklace. Let's see. This is also a Chico's. I really like this pendant. It's got these neutral. Let's see if you can see those beads. Yeah, pretty cute. Nice Chico's piece. I don't know if they go for anything, but I know that brand. I've heard of that. There was one designer piece somewhere. I'll find that one, but I believe it's another Chico's. Just like a long. No, sorry, not a long, a short double strand, double circle with these little pearl type beads. So, this is gonna go to Crafter's Lot. Crafter's Lot. Crafter's Lot. How many times can I say that? It'll be the new drinking game. And again, I like this one. This is Chico's also. They make them like, they're substantially heavy. They're not cheap, falling apart, but unfortunately it looks like one side has a little strand of beads and the other side doesn't have them. So they probably fell off. So this is the closure right here. And then this side, oh, they both, okay. So when I first looked at it, it had a longer strand. So now they both have just one hanging. So I'll have to take a look at that. Oh, here it is. This is the piece that was hanging. Okay. Oh, this is a Betsy Johnson. I found a Betsy Johnson. This is cute. I know her purses can go for a little bit of money. Not sure about jewelry. Haven't found a piece of hers yet. So this is my first one. Let's see. I think it says it. No, I saw it here somewhere. Oh, here we go. It says it right here. Betsy Johnson. Yeah, so that's a cute piece. That's definitely sellable. And this one is the one that could possibly be worth a little bit of money. This is the marked. Where is it? Benamoon. And I was just watching Dr. Lori's video from yesterday and talking about costume jewelry, and that was one of the names she mentioned. So that's pretty cool. I know I have a few pieces in another box. But, let's see. This is like a blingy statement piece. I'm not sure if this is Chico's or not, but I thought this was pretty for going maybe special outing. This one I haven't decided if I'm going to sell it. I like this stone, but then it almost looks dirty, but I don't know if it's just supposed to be like that, you know, like opaque, or I'm not sure. But I like the mermaid pendant I was looking, it's the jumper. It's got a cheap little one in between, so that's not attached very well. But this is just like a little cheap extra chain that was on. But I do like this pendant. I think this is pretty neat, so I want to look that up. Just some more fashion jewelry, little cheap pieces. That's not bad. That's sellable. Let's see. This is a long one. Yeah, I thought this was okay, but then I was looking and it has, instead of where you can attach it here on the links, each side has a clasp, which is odd to me. I've never seen that. So 2 clasps on the end. I'm not sure about that. Probably just put that in our crafters allowance. There's another definitely crafter's lot piece. Nothing I'd be interested in selling. Let's see. And this, I used my loop. I'm not 100% sure, but originally I thought it said maybe Kolhan. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Not quite sure, but I'll try to look that one up. And just a plain silver tone. Let's see. This I thought was pretty. It's got heart pendant, then it's got these little stones in between, little pearl. And I like the closure. It's got like a flowered pearl. I don't see any missing stones. So, yeah, I think I would sell this one. The last time, almost every piece was just going to go into a lot. This one actually has quite a few pieces that I think are nice. This is a nice, like a collar. It still has the tag, but I'm sure that there would have been a pendant here. I'm assuming it just fell off, but it's got the tags. So I'm not sure, but I'm going to look up the barcode. But it says it's Lily Color Pendant. It's $59.50, and this is a Chico's. So that's unfortunate if it is supposed to have a pendant, but I like the necklace. Let's see. This one also has the tag, but it just looks like a inexpensive brand. I've never heard of that. I'm sure it's just a cheap costume jewelry piece. Lola 18-inch nickel and lead big chain link necklace. Let's see. This has a nice closure. These beads look kind of cheap, but I don't know enough to know if they're good. To me, they just look like, inexpensive beads. But I like the closure. I think that's a nice, well done. I feel like that would be on a quality piece, so I'm not sure. I'm going to look into that. All right, keep it moving. I love, this is just a brown cord, but I love this large pendant. It feels really smooth. They almost look like marbles. I don't know. There's just something about it that's interesting. So I'm a fan of this. Now this is way too large to be a bracelet and way too small to be a necklace. Have no idea what this is. But, I mean, it looks like a necklace, but teeny tiny. Or a very big, maybe it's an anklet. I didn't think about that. Sometimes people's ankles are large. Maybe it's an anklet. I'll have to check into that. Let's see. This is another Chico's, and I absolutely love this pendant. Let's see. It's like a tri-strand also. It's got different hanging. It's got mixed metals, and I just absolutely love the celestial design with the sun, the moon cutouts. It's really pretty. And then it's got the silver tone chain hanging and 2 brass or gold tone. And this is also another Chico's. Look at that. So I've got quite a few Chico's pieces. Hopefully they sell. And then this is 1920s. I do like the stone. It looks very simple. A little necklace and nice colored stones. And this is just a cheap piece. I do like this lock though. The closure is kind of nice. So that is all of necklaces. So that's another 10, 11 minutes. I'm gonna have to keep it at around 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So we should finish up. There's not too many bracelets. I'll just take a second to pause, get everything get these things put up in a bag, and then we'll look at the bracelets. Okay, and so we've got the last little batch of items. This one went a little bit faster. Like I said, just not too many items. I was just going to do it all really quickly. So this is what I'm calling my scrap pile. These are just individual earrings, miscellaneous things, broken little pieces. So that's just going to go into the crafter's lot, and then we'll start with the earrings. These are wild. They look like, I thought they were handcuffs at first, but each one is like this. These are even crazier. They're huge. The size of this. One has the letter N, and one has the number 5. No idea what that means. Like Chanel number 5? No, I don't know. But yeah, they're just a little cheapy. This looks like a buckle, which is very odd, but really pretty little rhinestone bow. So not this. I didn't see a maker's mark, but I'm going to check on this. It's a pretty pin. Let's see, we've got this pair of earrings. We're in a little baggie. No missing stones. Those are nice. Sellable. And then we've just got some inexpensive little rings. I thought this was adorable. This little moving turtle. His head little hat moves. Got this ring. A couple of miscellaneous rings. I'll test them, but pretty sure these are just all fake. You know, not any kind of precious metal. And then we've got these little dangling stone earrings. I like these red with the gold tone teardrop earrings. And then these say Pandora something, Pandora jewelry. Not sure, but they're just little circles. And then we've just got a few like this open bracelet, a couple of bangles, mixed colors. I thought this was kind of pretty. Trying to figure out, at first I thought they were little bugs, but they're just like a teardrop stone on gold tone setting. Just a pretty bracelet. I've got a large loop link heavy silver tone bracelet. This is a pretty beaded, some gray charcoal beads. This is just super cheap, weighs nothing. Another little stretch bracelet. All these are going to go into a crafter's lot. And a link, silver tone link bracelet. This has a nice closure. So probably keep that to sell. This little faux pearl. I swear I get one of these in every box. These, it's either a religious or marijuana or some kind of weird design. This one is religious. It's got, looks like image of Jesus all around that. This, I'm thinking this must be something for your hair, maybe to cover a bun, because it's definitely not a bracelet or jewelry. But I'll just throw that into the lot. And then this I think was a bracelet, but it's not fully together. It's kind of messed up there. So that is everything. And let's look at that. So if there's anything that you're interested in, of course you can always email me at collectibles for resale, just like my channel name, at gmail.com. I had somebody say they wanted something and then they never emailed me. So if there is something, let me know. I'm not trying to push it on anybody. I buy them for fun and just to share with you any treasures. And if somebody wants something, great. If not, I'll sell what I sell and the rest goes into a crafter's lot. So that's going to be the end of it. I will have a couple more videos coming out. I have 2 more boxes coming, and then a shoe unboxing. So I may do some other stuff mixed in with my reselling, not just jewelry. But for now, we're just kind of concentrating on the jewelry. So alrighty, thank you so much. I hope everyone has a great day whenever you're watching this. And be kind to each other. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.